Hi my YouTube friends, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this natural hairline for a bride. I had already mixed my developer and bleaching powders on the mixing cup as you can see here, and I made sure that the paste is quite thick. Then I used the brush to apply the paste. Now as you can see, I started from the middle and I spread to other areas. So this is how, and this is the best way to go about it. So I'm saying a very big thank you to my old and new and even returning subscribers for your support. Your encouragement tend to make me do more content. Thank you very much. And mind you, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, this is the best time to do so. After applying the bleach, it's now time for me to wash. So I realized that some people, after they've applied this bleaching powder and developer for bleaching the lace, they only wash with water and they won't even use shampoo or conditioner. It's very wrong, because this will help to damage the frontal. So it's better for you to wash with water, shampoo, conditioner. I highly recommend that shampoo your hair twice, then also use your conditioner. Pay attention to the complexion of your customers. I also like not to allow my bleaching powder to sit on the lace for a very long time, 10-15 minutes max. So my client wants to use this hair or this frontal for her wedding. Her wedding is around the corner, so she specifically told me that she wants this frontal to look as natural as possible. So I'm actually making a wig for her. So she said the wig should be very natural. So this is how I go about it. So you can see here, I'm going to be making like an heart or a love shape, and I'll be using my hot comb to smooth in every strand to ensure that I can see what I'm doing properly. So when plucking, you don't want to pluck too much and you don't want to pluck too little. So you just have to be very conscious of what you're doing. And another thing you have to do is pay attention to the kind of lace. I'm using an hasty lace and it's very fragile. So I'll be making sure that my tweezers don't really get to the lace so we don't damage the lace. this was how it turned out to be when I finally finished the customization. Guys, tell me, what do you think about this? Thank you very much for your time.